Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yellow roll cake in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to have the roll cake recipe and you can buy the recipe from Doris. You can be Doris during the rainbow event or during the snowy or rainy condition. And after you buy the recipe, you need to buy the ingredients still from Doris. And I'm going to show you the roll cake recipe. This is for the original roll cake recipe. And for the sugar, guys, you can purchase it from Doris. And to make the yellow roll cake, we're going to use the yellow sugar. Okay. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay. And basically you can change the sugar. If you want to make the yellow one, you can use the yellow sugar. If you want to make red roll cake, use the red sugar, and so on. And you can get the sugar from Doris. Okay, done. And oh, as you can see, I've just made a yellow roll cake. Okay guys, and that's how we can make yellow roll cake in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!